Which programming language should you choose? Let's figure it out. First of all, everyone should learn C. It is a foundation and mandatory for understanding the core concept of the programming. After that, make a choice based on your interest. Let's break down in some more popular language. Next one is if you are into the system programming or in the game development interest, stick with the C or go for the C++. They are super fast and give you a lot of control. Java. If you are interested in building large scalable application or interested in working in enterprise software, Java your go-to. It is a robust and widely used. And another is JavaScript. If you are interested in building website or interacting front-end application, JavaScript is your best friend for web development. If you are having an interest in AI, ML or data science or simple automation, go for the Python. It is a beginner friendly and versatile.